Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Volkswagen Atlas key fob. First, gather your materials. You will need one new CR2032 coin cell battery. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the fob. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Locate the small release button on the side of the fob and press it firmly. While holding the button, pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side, marked with a plus sign. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your tool. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side faces up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for the link and more fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.